I don't film video. If that's you, then this video is for you. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 easy things that you can do to start recording video today. Number 1, should you buy equipment? Yes. However, start with what you've got, your cell phone. Portrait mode. This is great for Facebook and Instagram. Landscape mode. This is really good for website or for long-form YouTube videos. Second, choose a topic. Video should be straight and direct and to the point. For example, in this video, I'm going to tell you the 5 mistakes homeowners make when selling their home. And if you don't have one, think about the questions you get every single day in your business. If you work with first-time home buyers, every day I'm sure you're getting, what is a pre-qualification? Do I need 20% down to buy a home? And then, third, content is king. Do you think Stevie Ray Vaughan became the greatest guitarist of all time overnight? Absolutely not. It comes with years and years of practice. The same thing with video. Start by publishing content. Share your personal story. Talk about something that recently happened on a real estate transaction. Or take a video of you walking into a $3 million property. Share your wins. Share your losses. The point is, you've got to start somewhere. The other thing is, you'll get really good at filming. For example, where to stand, what to do with your hands, when to look at your script, when to look at the camera. Practice makes perfect. A good video isn't just about having perfect hair. It's about being authentic and talking about things that you're actually interested in. People go on social media to be entertained. So put out as much video and content and entertain as much as you can. And if there's anything we can do to help, feel free to let us know. Thanks for stopping by and welcome to CZI.